Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tola. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do all to like, share and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. In today's tutorial, we'll be making this beautiful cowl neck top as you can see up there. If this is what you're interested in, please sit back, relax and let's get straight into the video. For this tutorial, I'm making use of my scissors, my tape rule, tailor's chalk. So let's get straight into the video. For this particular tutorial, I'll be making use of this piece of fabric for the front, and then as you can see, I'll fold it in such a way that I'll be having 9" in the other side for it to be able to serve as the lining of the top. So after folding that, I'm going to fold it again into 2, which means folding it into 4. Fold to get 9" and then fold again. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to take my shoulder measurement. For me, it is 15. So divide by 2. That's 7.5. So guys, the next thing to do is to take my bust point. And mine is 10. So you're going to be shifting your tape in such a way that you have 5" before getting your measurement. That's you're going to start measuring from 5 to 10. Because we're going to be having like a strap for this arm of the top. So after marking that out, you're going to be taking your bust measurement divide by 4. So for me, my bust measurement is 38 and 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. But then for this particular top, I'll be making use of 10. That's added 0.5 inches. And then I'll be using that to form my armhole. So guys, after taking the 10" measurement, I added 1". That's making 11. And then I'll be cutting it down straight like that. As you can see, I took the measurement downward in order for me to have a very straight line. The next thing to do is to take the length of the top, and this particularly depends on how long you want it to be. You might want your cowl neck top to be a crop top. So guys, go right ahead and start cutting it out as you can see that I'm doing, but please don't forget to add your 0.5 inches, which is going to be your sewing allowance. So as you can see, I'm done cutting it out. This is how it's going to be looking. So now we have the part where we want to use as our lining, and we also have the part where we want to use as our front. So this is basically how it is looking right now. So the next thing to do right now is to take out some piece in order for us to cut the strap. And then we're going to be cutting that out by 1" wide. That's like about 1" wide, but then the length depends on how long you want your sleeve to be or how cowled you want it to be at the front. And then we'll just go ahead and cut that out. So right now we'll take that to the sewing machine and just sew it down, stitch it in order for us to get the strap of our cowl dress. So guys, this is how it is looking. This is how my 2 straps are looking. And then we'll go ahead and take measurements for us to know what to cut out for the back of this cowl dress. So we're just going to be measuring the width. That's from after the armhole, which is 10. And then we're going to be measuring the length too. And then we're going to take that measurement and then use it to form like a box shape for the back. But then we need another part to use as the lining of the back. So we're going to be folding the same way we folded for the front, and then we'll take measurements, and then right after that we're going to be cutting out. So guys, this is basically how it is looking for the back. This is basically what it's looking like. So we'll just go ahead and cut out the lining part so that when we are fixing our strap, we'll have somewhere to insert the strap into. Guys, we are back to the front, and then we are going to be fixing our strap into the front part. And like I said, the strap actually depends on how long you want it to be or how cowl you want your top to be, and then you'll be inserting it just like you've seen I'm doing, just at the armhole point. You can actually notch that part so that you're going to be very careful, and then you will know where to put the strap into, and then you sew just like you've seen that I'm demonstrating in the video. So guys, we're done inserting the strap, and you can see how beautiful our top is coming up. You can see how beautiful it is. For the lining, you're going to be using your hemming gum to gum it down. And for this tutorial, I don't really have lights now. There's no electricity supply. So I will just go ahead and continue with the tutorial. You can actually just see how cowl it is looking. You can see how beautiful it is looking from now. So we're going to be taking our back, and then we're going to find a way to insert the remaining, that's the other edge of the strap, into the back. So we'll be taking the measurement of 4 inch, and that's where the back strap is going to be sitting. We're going to do the same thing for the other side of the strap. So we're taking this to the sewing machine now. I'm going to be sewing on a straight line, just as you can see I've demonstrated. So guys, we're done doing that, and then the next thing we're just going to be doing is sewing the edge of the top together. Yeah, sewing the edge of the top together. Like I earlier said, I don't have power supply now. That's why I'm not using my hemming gum to gum the lining to the top. So just arrange the two parts together and then go ahead and stitch. And the only thing that will be left out is how to turn the edge, that's the down part of the top, and we're done with the video. So guys, we're done making the beautiful cowl top. As you can see, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment of the kind of video you love to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.